大家好，我是 Eddie， 欢迎来到你好汉语。What's up, Eddie again? Welcome to Nihao Chinese and study with the cute Eddie G. Today's episode is all about flavor in Chinese language. Flavor, this word in Chinese, is called 味道。味道。味道。Flavor words are super important when you want to discuss food with your Chinese friend because different food has different flavor. Today's lesson is about the top 5 flavor in Chinese language. Well, let's get started. 我们开始吧。酸，酸，酸，酸 is sour. Let's make up a word. 酸奶，酸奶，酸奶，酸奶 is yogurt, and in Taiwanese version they would say 优格，优格，优格。I figure out the reason might be they just translate yogurt, this word, according to its sound, because 优格 sounds like yogurt. That's how people say from Taiwan. For mainlanders, we usually say 酸奶，酸奶。Another example with 酸 this character would be 酸民，酸民，酸民。酸民 is haters. But actually 酸民 is the Taiwanese version of haters. In mainland, we say 黑粉，黑粉 which has nothing to do with 酸 this character. 这个菠萝太酸了，我吃不下。这个菠萝太酸了，我吃不下。这个菠萝太酸了，我吃不下。This pineapple is too sour. I just can't take it. 这个 this 菠萝 that's a fruit, pineapple. 太了 is a fixed phrase that means too 太酸了 that means too sour. 太 literally means too, like too much. 了 literally is a past tense signal word. But like I said, 太了 just think it as too blah blah. 我 that's I. 吃 means to eat. 不 that means no, and it's a polyphone. Here is with the second tone. 不 it's an active form signal word. 下去 that means go down, down. 吃不下去 literally the English translation would be can't eat down. But you don't really have eat down this phrase in English, I know, but just to give you a better understanding, because 吃下去 that means to eat down. So you can treat it as swallow down. I guess you can say swallow down, right? 我吃不下去 I can't eat down because it's too sour. Actually, verb plus 不下去 is very useful in Chinese language. For example, you say 看不下去。看不下去 that means like, oh, I can't watch it. For example, when you are watching like a really sad movie and you think you can't hold your tears and you say, oh, I can't take it anymore, then you say 看不下去. You can't finish watching it. Or you see somebody bullying someone and you think, oh my god, this is so shit, and you say, oh, I just can't watch it anymore, like this bullying shit, and then you can say 看不下去，看不下去 because it's too bad, like so not human. Or another situation might be you're watching a super boring movie, it's so boring, and you say, oh, I just can't watch it, like 我看不下去了，我看不下去了。甜，甜，甜 sweet. 甜品，甜品，甜品 dessert. 甜食，甜食，甜食 also dessert. 食 literally means food. So 甜食 sweet food, and that's dessert. 甜甜圈，甜甜圈， 甜甜圈 that's donut. 圈 that's a circle because donut looks like a circle. 甜蜜的爱甜蜜的爱甜蜜的爱 sweet love. 甜蜜的 these three characters together is sweet as an adjective because 的 is an adjective signal word as you know. 甜蜜 that's sweet. Even you put 蜜 this character after 甜 it still means sweet. But 蜜 just so you know literally means honey. 甜蜜的 that's sweet. 爱 love. 甜蜜的爱我最近在减肥不能吃甜食我最近在减肥不能吃甜食我最近在减肥不能吃甜食 I'm trying to lose weight recently. I can't eat dessert. I 最近 that means recently or these days or lately. 在 that's actually a signal word for be doing sentence structure, which means present continuous. I am doing something. 在减肥 am losing weight. 减肥 lose weight because 减 that means to deduct or to lose or to minus. 肥 that is fat. 减肥 lose weight. 我最近在减肥 I recently am losing weight. 不能 that's can't. 吃 to eat. 甜食 dessert. 不能吃甜食 can't eat dessert. You might notice that I didn't put the subject 我 It should be 我不能吃甜食 But here we both know that I'm talking about myself because for the first sentence I used I, so for the second sentence I don't need to use it anymore because it's obvious. 苦苦苦 bitter 痛苦痛苦痛苦 that means painful or agony. 痛苦 could be a noun or an adjective depending on your detailed context. 我不喜欢喝咖啡因为太苦了我不喜欢喝咖啡因为太苦了我不喜欢喝咖啡因为太苦了 I don't like drinking coffee because it's too bitter. I 不喜欢 don't like or doesn't like depending on your subject. 不 that's a negative form signal word meaning no or not. 喜欢 that's like. 咖啡 as you might guess coffee very similar pronunciation. 因为 because 太了 means too 苦 bitter 太苦了 too bitter 我不喜欢喝咖啡因为太苦了我不能吃太辣的东西因为我会拉肚子我不能吃太辣的东西因为我会拉肚子我不能吃太辣的东西因为我会拉肚子 I can't eat food which are too spicy because I will have a diarrhea. That sounds disgusting. You know, this is like a culture shock because if you tell a foreigner, like especially in Western context, you say, "Oh, I'm having a diarrhea." People be like, "Why do you tell me this?" Like, I don't really want to know the details. But in China, you can say 拉肚子, which means diarrhea. It's fine. People will not cringe inside because it's just really normal. Okay, just relax. 我 that's I 不能吃 can't eat 不能 can't 吃 to eat 太辣的 too spicy 东西 food 太辣的东西 food which is too spicy. Here you can notice that 太辣的 together is an adjective, right? 东西 in Chinese means a thing or stuff, but literally 东 means east and 西 means west. East-west together, then it becomes thing or stuff. And here is the grammar difference between Chinese and English. If you say water, which is too hot, that is the correct grammar in English. But in Chinese, it would be too hot water. Yes, in Chinese, we can literally say too hot water, and that means 太烫的水太烫的水太烫的水 which means water which is too hot. And here, 太辣的东西 means stuff or food. Yeah, actually in this context it's food, not a stuff. Food which is too spicy, 太辣的东西因为 because 我 that's I 会 that means will. 会 actually has two meanings. The first one is can, like you have the ability to do something, you can say 会. But here 会 is a future tense signal word, means will or be going to. 拉肚子 I told you, have a diarrhea. 拉 this word has different meanings. In the dictionary, it might tell you it's like pull the door, like 拉门, yeah, pull the door. But 拉 here, it means to take a shit, take a dump, take number two. 肚子 that's stomach. Pull your stomach, that means have a diarrhea. 如果你喜欢吃辣的，你应该去成都。如果你喜欢吃辣的，你应该去成都。如果你喜欢吃辣的，你应该去成都。If you like spicy food, you should go to Chengdu, which is a city in China. 如果 that means if. 你 that's you. 喜欢 like. 吃 to eat. 辣的 that means spicy. Because here we just delete the word spicy food. Actually, you can say 辣的东西. But here, I just delete 东西, this word, because it sounds a little wordy, especially in spoken Chinese. I mean, if you put 东西 after 辣的 and becomes 辣的东西, it makes perfect sense, okay? But in spoken Chinese, we just kind of delete a lot of stuff, a lot of words. So we say 如果你喜欢吃辣的 if I hear 辣的 I know you are talking about 辣的东西 I just don't need to say 东西 in this context 你 you 应该 should or be supposed to 去 that means to go to another direction away from me 成都 that's a really popular city in China and it's most famous for the spicy food. 如果你喜欢吃辣的，你应该去成都。咸 salty 咸菜 pickles or salted vegetable. Actually, it's a way to make food in China because if you have the salted vegetable or pickles, it gives you like a really good appetite, and you can say 咸菜. 咸 means salty. 菜 is dish or vegetable here in this context. 这个菜盐放多了，太咸了，快给我倒点水。这个菜盐放多了。 太咸了，快给我倒点水。这个菜盐放多了，太咸了，快给我倒点水。This dish has been put too much salt. It's too spicy. Hurry up and bring me some water. 这个菜 this dish. 盐 that's salt. 放 means to put or to add, like add salt in this context. 多 that means many, much, a lot. 了 that's a past tense signal word, right? 放多了 together it means put too much or put too many or add too much. 太咸了 too salty. 快 hurry up or quickly. 给 that means to give. 我 me. Give me 给我。倒 means to pour like a teapot. 点 that means a little. But here I don't really mean a little, I mean some, because 点 this character could be a little or some depending on your context. 水 that's water. 倒点水 pour some water. 这个菜盐放多了，太咸了，快给我倒点水。Super! Now you know how to say different flavor in Chinese language. I hope today's lesson is useful to you, my lovely Eddie Gan. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my video, to comment in the comment section. Tell me what you want me to make for the next episode. 好了，今天就到这里了，我们下次见，再见。